what's up guys, hope you guys are doing well on this beautiful and kind of cloudy Sunday. So as you guys can see, we got the RCF out. And do you guys see anything kind of new about the RCF? I'll give you guys about 3 seconds to guess it. All right, yeah, so if you guys actually guessed it, yes, the RCF actually now has pink stickers at the top. Oh, I should say purple stickers at the top. And if you know a thing or two about tape on top of your windshield, right, you probably could have guessed that, yes, we did replace the RCF windshield finally. If you have been one of the people that have been waiting for me to replace the windshield, please make sure you are smashing that like button, because I'm just curious to see how many of you guys were actually waiting. But yes, guys, we now do have a windshield without a crack. Finally. If you guys know, if you haven't watched it, you'll know that I've always had like tinted windshield. Like I've probably had like I think 25% on the front of the windshield. Now, do I really care about the tints like that? No, I actually think the fact that this windshield doesn't have tints allows you to see more aspects of the car a bit more, like the seats, the interior, and also my ugly ass steering wheel that I find cute. Guys, I got the installation done yesterday and I haven't driven the car at all. So what you guys could probably guess is, yes, we are going to go on a little drive, a little chill drive. I won't be doing too much, but to just test out the integrity of the windshield, to test out whether or not air is seeping through, to test out whether any strange sounds is coming. Fingers crossed that's not happening, but if it does happen, good thing we have a lifetime warranty. And all right guys, before we go on our integrity drive, we are going to actually peel this tape back. Apparently a dude told me this is what is actually holding the windshield, but he said I could take it off after like a day. It has been a day, so I mean I'm kind of scared, but damn, it's just some strong ass tape. Damn. All right, it's taken off to the other side. Strong ass tape. Also guys, if you guys are like thinking, yo, this car is really filthy, well, it's not my fault. All right, first of all, I did wash it last week, and the same week I washed it, it rained. And after I got the windshield installed, the dude literally told me, right, he literally said I cannot get a car wash for about 2 weeks. And I was like, what? So yeah, so this car is really filthy. If you guys could actually see, yo, I'm not lying when I said I got caught in the rain. All those watermarks anyways, right? But yeah, those are staying for about 2 weeks until the windshield is fully cured. All right, enough of me talking. Let me just get a nice picture of the RCF looking clean. Ooh, this might be a thumbnail. Hold on. I might be cooking one with this. We might be cooking. Oh, no, don't you? Sheesh, this car is like, yo, this car and the gray weather, it's looking nice. Man, you guys see this view? No cracks. Before we actually even head out, I gotta do some gas, of course. So we out to the gas station, and I'm gonna just kill 2 birds in 1 stone. I'm also drive over to the barbershop because I need a cut. You guys hear that sound? Yo, that's a strange ass. Yo, that's a strange ass sound. All jokes aside, does anyone know what on earth his sound is? It's coming from the back. I don't know. I think it might be my tires. The sound sounds kind of familiar. And I remember a while ago, after I changed my tires, it stopped. So it might be my tires, but at the same time, I'm like, yo, these shits are some fresh ass tires. What's man got the SRT Hellcat? Yo, I forgot what it's called, but yeah. This man's going off in that shit. And then I have a Trackhawk in front of me. What? Wait, what? I just saw an SRT Chrysler Hellcat. And now apparently, allegedly, it's a Trackhawk in front of me. I don't think it is. But there's only one way to find out. Yo, this man's about to put a football field on me. Oh shit, that is a Trackhawk. Okay, awkward. Yo, this Jeep is wildin'. Yo, what? Yo, what? What? Yo, this man almost rear-ended me. And I don't even have a camera on a dash cam because I can't stick anything on this windshield for like, I forgot how many days. I think he said 2 days. I don't know. But yeah. Yo, man, that Jeep is out. What? But yeah, guys, so far I'm not hearing any sounds. The integrity of this windshield is pretty good, but the integrity of the traffic right now is terrible. I only went this route because of the tunnels. Damn, there's mad traffic. Sheesh. I'm gonna just pick the camera. Oh shit. Damn. Almost choked on my voice, but I'm gonna just pick the camera back up when the traffic starts to pick up a bit more, which is what, in 16 minutes? What? All right, man, that's lame, but yeah. All right, guys, we got the haircut, as you guys can see. Oh, I should say the tape up, as you guys can see. Now it's time to hit the highway. Hopefully there's no traffic. And yeah, with the RCF right here, is looking spiffy and clean. Yo, I'm gonna be honest, guys, I like the windshield without tints. What do you guys think? I don't know, it looks like way cleaner without tints. And bro, just look at this view without a crack. Maybe I should have changed it out sooner. Cold start. Hey, or a warm start. Huh, you just got passed by a girl. I don't think so. You just got passed by a boy. I don't know, guys, I wanted to do that. And the funny part is, the person driving ain't even a girl. It's a whole dude. What? That's a clean ass cube. Alright, nope. Because for a second I was like, wait, I wasn't even speeding. So like, I was like, what did I do? I don't have tints on my windshield. I mean, I do have tints all around except the windshield, but like, I didn't do anything. But yo, damn, I was about to blast through this tunnel. Honestly, I still might do it. Oh, fuck it. Yeah, guys, am I wildin'? Because there's a cop in front of me and I'm doing this shit. I mean, I'm not speeding or anything. I'm just, you know, I am causing some noise. He could have given me an exhaust ticket, and that's about it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yours. Alright guys, so we are done with the drive. Overall, the windshield held up nice. There wasn't any noise, there wasn't any wind noise, and no, you know, abstract sound. Anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.